Hello, welcome back to the Low English Dictionary channel. If you're wondering what happened to my hair today, just forget about my hair. This is not about my hair. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell on so you never miss a video when we post.
Hey, welcome to this video. This is the second part of constructing simple sentences. Remember, we've done a first part and she will point to the right place. It should be somewhere here. Here.
There. Yes.
It should be here. That's the first part of the video. This is the second part. And today, we want to talk about you want to go somewhere. So I want us to talk about where you want to go. I want to ask you where do you want to go to, and then you'll tell me where you want to go to, and then we'll move on like that. Okay? So first, I will ask the question. Idi kanye. Idi kanye. That means where are you going? And you'll say
Adi e chiro.
Adi e chiro. I'm going to the market. Idi kanye.
Adi e chiro.
Adi e chiro. Or
Adi neno baba.
Adi neno baba. Adi neno baba. Now baba, and we've done a video about family. You can look at the family and what baba means. Baba means your father, so I'm going to see my father.
Yeah.
Or
Adi edala waya.
Adi edala waya. I'm going to my auntie's place. Adi edala waya. Adi edala waya. Idi kanye.
Adi neno baba.
Idi kanye.
Adi edala waya.
Adi edala waya. Idi kanye.
Adi ka John.
Adi ka John. That means I'm going to John's place. So if you're going to what? Just say.
If your name is John and you're watching these videos, shout out to you.
So Adi ka John. That means I'm going to John's place. Now if it's someone else, Mary, John, Mary, who else? Jenna, whoever. Zoe. If you're going to Zoe's place, you say Adi ka Zoe. Adi ka whoever it is. Yes. Okay? Iduogo sa Adi. That means what time will you be coming back? Iduogo sa Adi. The first one is
Aduogo okinyi or
Aduogo okinyi. That means I'll be coming back in the morning. Or Aduogo
odhiambo.
You say the full sentence.
Aduogo odhiambo.
Aduogo odhiambo. I'll be coming back in the evening. Or
Aduogo onyango.
Onyango. Onyango. Say onyango.
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 Aduogo onyango.
Aduogo onyango.
Aduogo onyango. Now onyango means midday. I'll be coming back at not midday but early between 8 a.m. and about 11 a.m. That's onyango. So aduogo onyango. The last part is aduogo what?
Aduogo otieno.
Aduogo otieno. I'll be coming back at night. I'll be coming back at night. Then
Ok aduogo kawuono.
You didn't read it well.
Ok aduogo kawuono.
There's no G. Oh, yeah.
Ok aduog kawuono. Aduogo kiny.
Ok aduog kawuono. Aduogo kiny. That means I'm not coming back today. I'll come back tomorrow. So essentially that is how you converse. So let's start with asking the question. Idi kanye.
Adi e chiro.
Iduogo sa adi.
Aduogo odhiambo.
Or
Aduogo otieno.
Or
Aduogo okinyi.
Or
Aduogo onyango.
Onyango. And if you're not coming back, what do you say?
Ok aduog.
Ok aduog kawuono.
Ok aduog kawuono. Aduogo kiny.
That's it. Ok aduog kawuono. Aduogo kiny. Now when you want to say thank you, you say Erokamano. Erokamano. So that's how you construct simple sentences of where you're going. So today, this is an homework for you. Look at places and start talking about them. Idhi kanye adhi e chiro, idhi kanye adhi e sikul, idhi kanye adhi e ot, idhi kanye. So just talk about the places where you're going and say adhi, and then you see whether your vocabulary will increase from there. And when you're asked what time are you coming back, iduogo sadi, aduogo sario, aduogo kiny, aduogo dhiambo, aduogo nyango, all like that. Okay? Otherwise, thank you very much. Thanks for watching and peace.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post when we post. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. Remember, we are still looking for some questions so we can do a Q&A video. Questions and answers video. So, I would like to give out a shout out if you had your name in the video. For example, Otieno, Atieno, you know. So, Oriti, goodbye.